Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you what you can do if your PlayStation isn't making any sounds. So look at this guys. My PlayStation is not making any sounds. Do I have a problem? No. Should you have a problem? Yes. So what I recommend you guys to do is you want to go ahead and go to the back of your PS5. That's what I do when I don't hear any sounds coming out of it. I'm using a screen recorder, so I just turned off my sounds. So sometimes there's a little music playing on GTA 5, and if like a little bit just in the background, if it's like even 1% of the sounds, it could just freaking my video, if you know what I mean, right? So yeah, that's why I turned off my sound. Like, you could never know. I didn't even hear music, and I got like a copyright, not a copyright strike, but it was just a copyright claim, and I didn't even hear this. Like, I had to turn my sound on 100 on a speaker, on a big speaker, and yeah. Okay, now let's go back to the video. I was gonna say that go ahead and plug out your HDMI, like on both sides, and then plug your HDMI into the HDMI 1 port of your TV, and also on your PlayStation 5 back again. So that should be able to work. And now, not only that, so you want to go ahead and add this sound. So press on options, go for to hear sounds, and just add it. I think it's automatically, yeah, I don't know. So let's go over to here, and you want to make your output device your TV. And yeah, that's basically it. So once that's your TV, guys, you should be able to hear sounds. Because sometimes I had this problem too. It was connected to my headset, so basically all the sound was coming to my headset and not the TV itself, or the monitor, let's just say that. And yeah, this was a little fix. Maybe it helped, maybe it didn't. Leave in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and take care, guys. Goodbye.